Hello to everyone out there. I hope that you are doing well. I wanted to come on here and show you my really cute little case cover, and that is my ProCase iPhone wallet flip case cover. And as you can see, I got the black and gold, and it is from ProCase. And it comes with a wristlet that will very easily come off if you just wanted to slide this in your pocket or your purse, and just as easily hooks right back in there. So I got this because I wanted something that I could carry around and also protect my iPhone in. And I just really love cases like this that can open up, and this is magnetic. You can see it clamped down there. It's magnetic. But I like this because it has the little pocket here that you can put money and cards in, and then you can also put additional cards and money or what have you in there, and then also a cute little mirror to check your makeup. It's so cute. And your iPhone very easily just snaps in there. As you can see, my iPhone has not been backed up. But it very easily just snaps in to place. And if you want to take it out, very easily just comes right on out. Go ahead and put that back in there. Boop, boop. Close and boom. Like I said, I've had it for 4 months and it is holding up pretty nicely. You might be able to see there's just a little bit of wear and tear right here at the corners, but I'm sure that's just from me tossing it in my purse. Right on the edges there, but it's still holding up very nicely. It's very easy to carry, to slide in your pocket, and then easy to carry around by just putting on your wrist and going about your business, ladies. And something else that I like about it, besides the mirror and the built-in card slots, is that this will also can double as a stand for you to stand your phone up on and, you know, watch your videos, your Hulu or your YouTube, what have you. Now it is 4.9 inches by 2.4 inches by 0.3 inches, and it's about 0.96 ounces. Very, very light. You still have access to all of your phone features, even when your phone is in the case. You know, you still are able to get to your volume and power and home buttons and all that good stuff, your speaker, your camera, and all of your other ports. It's got that kickstand like I showed you, and this is a really nice premium leather composition for the exterior and the interior. Wipes off very easily, although it does not get dirty. It's stayed like this for all of these months, being tossed in and out of my purse and bags and all kinds of stuff, and it's really held up really well. It fits the iPhone SE or the 5S, so it's pretty much like for like beginner type smaller iPhones, and you know, it's really good for like your child's iPhone if they have, you know, a small beginner one such as myself. And it's really stylish but also functional, matches with pretty much almost everything. So I really like this little flip case. I think it's very cute. Before I had this carrying case, I didn't have my phone with this particular phone and anything. I had something similar for my Galaxy, but I didn't have anything for this one. So I went and got this before I accidentally dropped my phone and broke it into pieces. So I knew it was time that I hurried up and got a different case for it. Very durable. It's not very fragile at all. Like, I can swing it around and all that stuff as I'm walking, and nothing has broken on it. I haven't had to replace anything. It's just standing up really, really nicely for me. Fits into your bag really easy. Definitely makes my life a heck of a lot easier, because I can just have somewhere to stash my money, stash like my ID cards, what have you, and my phone all in one if you're having, the type of night where you really don't feel like carrying a purse or anything, and you're keeping it light, and you can just toss a couple things in your phone case and you are good to go. So I really like that about my case too. There's really nothing to it. When you buy it, it comes as is. You just clip on your wristlet and snap in your phone and you are good to go. Wham bam, just like that. It's held up pretty good for me too in the sun. I do live in the desert, so it does get a lot of sun to it, and it's held up pretty well, although I have never gotten it wet, so I don't recommend you getting this product wet, but it seems to hold up pretty good to the elements, as long as you aren't careless or anything like that. So that is my iPhone wallet flip case cover that has the wristlet strap and also the built-in card slots and mirror, made by ProCase. And there's really not much information. Well, I won't say not much, like I couldn't find any information on the company, but I definitely like their phone cases.